Congratulations for enrolling at Gateway Community College. Did you know you can set up a payment plan for your tuition? The earlier you sign up, the lower your monthly payments will be. Plus, it's interest-free. You can sign up for a payment plan online using the steps in this video. First, head to my.maricopa.edu and click on Student Center. Log in with your MEID and password and click Sign In. This will take you to your student portal. From there, click on My Payment Options / Manage My Payment Plan. Select Set Up or Manage Payment Plan and select it again when the drop-down pops up. A new window will open, taking you to the Nelnet site. Click Continue on any messages or alerts that may pop up. On the screen, you will see the option to set up a payment plan. Click Begin to start setting up a payment plan. Confirm that your contact information is correct and hit Next. Once you see your name and the amount due, click Next. On this screen, you will have many different options for payment plan. Pay attention to the down payment amount, which is due the day you enroll for a payment plan. There is also a $20 enrollment fee in addition to the down payment. Select the payment type and enter the details. If you select bank account, you will need the routing and account number details. For credit cards, enter all the relevant information and hit Save. You will then confirm the amount due that day and hit Next. Confirm your payment schedule to ensure that everything is accurate and hit Next. Keep in mind that these are the dates when the funds will be charged to your card or withdrawn from your bank account. You will then review the entire agreement and authorize the payment plan. Next, you will land on a thank you page. You can either hit Done at the top or review your payment plan again and hit Done at the bottom. You can also have an email confirmation sent to you. Once you hit Done, you will be taken to your home page where you can view your payment plan details. Don't forget to sign out when you're done. We hope you find this information helpful. If you have any additional questions or need assistance, please contact our cashier's office at 602-286-8277.